Today, on the 10th day, I will talk on the deep work formula, how to unlock 10x productivity without burnout. I've designed this episode for mid-career professionals, artists, and creators. Why you can't focus and how to fix it. Ever feel like your to-do list never ends? No matter how much you work, the problem is not time, it's focus. In a world full of distraction, deep work is the secret weapon of top performers. If you aspire to be top performers, you have no choice other than complying these time-tested and science research tools. Today I shall show you how to train your brain for distraction-free high-impact work. Welcome to 10th day of my 30-day series on mastering work-life balance. Understand the big problem. Your focus is under attack. The average professionals get interrupted every 3 minutes, and it takes 23 minutes to refocus after each interruption, which already have discussed in my earlier episodes. A study by the University of California found that constant task switching lowers IQ by 10 points. Got it? That's the same as losing a full night's sleep, equivalent of a full night's sleep lost. The secret? Training your brain for deep work, sustained, focus effort without distractions. Let us break it down. But who am I? I am Shekhar Kumar De, a best-selling author, a resilience strategist, and work-life balance coach specializing in mental resilience and burnout prevention. I help busy professionals and creators escape the distraction trap and get more done in less time without burning out. My content is based on real-life experiences of more than 40 years and science-backed strategies and high-performance techniques used by top achievers. If you struggle with focus, procrastination, or information overload, you are in the right place, my dear friends. Here are 3 major pain points of distraction. Number 1, you start working but constantly get pulled away. Why? Understand how the average people work. Do you want to belong to that, or you want to quit that breed, quit that tribe? The average person checks their phone 96 times a day. That's once every 10 minutes. Where from the focus will come? Between two activities, your brain needs 23 minutes of time for refocusing. Number 2, you work for hours but accomplish little. It has to be. Shallow work like emails, social media, multitasking tricks you into feeling productive but doesn't move the needle. Needle remains there. You feel mentally drained by the end of the day. Your brain uses limited cognitive energy each day. Wasting it on distractions means nothing left for important tasks. By the time when you're going to go back to your home, you are left with no energy because your energy has been sucked out by those disruptions. And that is why you could not do better in workplace also. This altogether adding towards your burnout. Be cautioned herefore. But what if you could train your brain for deep focused work? Here are 3 powerful strategies to master deep work. Number 1, the time blocking method. Schedule your focus. Earlier episodes also have details and discuss what the time blocking is about. If you don't plan when to focus, distractions will take over you. A study from Harvard Business School found that Professionals who schedule deep work time outperform their peers by 50%. If you want to be out of this tribe, you got to adhere to this. You have no choice, my dear friends, but how to apply it. Block 2 to 4 hours of deep work into your calendar, just like meetings. This is your personal calendar for your personal transformations. Protect this time. At that time, turn off notifications. Use noise cancellation headphones. You can use apps like Rescue Time to track deep work versus distractions. Next, the attention diet. It is not only your body that needs healthy diet, it's your brain that also needs diet. Eliminate digital junk. Just like junk food ruins your body, junk information ruins your focus, take it granted. Studies show that just seeing your phone nearby lowers cognitive performance by 20%. How you can apply it? Uninstall distractions app or move them to a hidden folder. Use tools like Freedom or Cold Turkey to block social media during working hours. Create a distraction-free workspace. Phone in another room. No unnecessary tabs on. Next, the 90-minute focus rule. Train like an elite performer. If you aspire to be an elite performer, adhere to these policies. Instead of focusing yourself to work all day, use short, intense sprints. Right? Research shows that brain works best in 90-minute high-focus interval followed by breaks. How to apply it? Work for 90 minutes, then take a 15-minute break. At break time, you can walk, stretch, or breathe. Or you can listen your favorite musical track. Use the Pomodoro technique. The technique says work deeply for 25 minutes burst with 5 minutes break. If 90 minutes is too long for you to hold your focus, do it in piece by piece. The way Pomodoro technique says 25 minutes work followed by 5 minutes break. In this way, train your brain by slowly increasing your focus time each week. Here are the final takeaways. Distractions are stealing your time and energy. Deep work is a skill you can learn. Train your brain to focus like an elite performer. Act like an elite performer. Right? Use time blocking and attention diet and 90 minutes focus sprints to get more done in less time. Here is the call to action for you. How often do you get distracted while working? Drop a comment below. If this helped, like, subscribe, and turn on notification so you don't miss 12th day topic on the anti-burnout blueprint, how to stay energized and productive without exhaustion. Thank you, my dear friends.